This is the Legovesting Tracer vs Widowmaker remake set. I seen this set go for around $12 on Amazon. Sometimes it goes all the way up to $20. This is the specific version that I made myself, and it is a custom made Lego MOC. And you can see over here how I did it, a few things about this. So I'm going to be telling you all the benefits and pluses, all the things I did about this, and what you could do yourself in case you wanted to. So I didn't like the stickers that was originally on this, and I got this one. This is actually the Crayon minifigure from the Lego Movie 2, and I just switched his body and I put armor in here, and I put this custom hat, and I kept the original hat for this guy. So it looks more like it's supposed to be here. A few other things, I changed the cockpit around. I gave him something that he can actually use in order to fly. And this girl actually has very nice control here. I don't know what you call it, maybe vents, whatever you think it is. And each and every one of those has actual seats. I went in, I took out what was there before, and I put actual seats in here. A few other things here, I changed the whole engine compartment, put those things right here, and I added those jets right here. You can see how it looks so much better than previously it was. I also did the same thing on each and every one of the wings. Also intake vents and outtake over here, and this actually moves because I have two hinges here. So this is kind of cool. When it flies, you can actually put it like this, and also the vents have been moved upside down too. There's nothing really in here, so I'm not going to take this out, but that's how it actually looks like. Now, I don't know if you guys ever seen the movie The Aliens. Well, I made 4 of those. Oops, wrong math. There's actually 3 of those, and it can actually go down. So what did they say 4? Well, originally I actually had 1 more right here. So there was actually 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, and this one was not here. And I changed it, and I actually put one at the top. So this is actually pretty much a lot of basic modifications for this set, and it made this Lego Overwatch set look so much more better now, because there is no stickers on it. No stickers are required for it to look cool, and it kind of does look like a very beautiful looking spaceship over here. And those minifigures actually also seem to work hand in hand with it as well. The only thing that I would love to put on this, and I can't, is an actual cockpit over here. But since this set is already very tight in space as is, you can't really put too much cockpit or other modifications to this as well. So this is pretty much it. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure you smash the thumbs up button right down below. And if you did like it, make sure you subscribe to it and check out my other Legovesting and other Lego videos that I have created for this channel.